Hello, it's Michael. Here's how I built this camera stand prototype. I started by doodling some things on a sketch pad, looking through Pinterest, just realizing there wasn't many custom camera stands out there. If you know of one, please let me know. I wasn't able to find some in a brief search. Gotta go hunt for the wood through the rain that I'm gonna use to make this thing. So I braved the storm that started as soon as I began. Basically measured out where the camera was going to sit on this piece of wood, cut it to size, and did a little sanding. Made sure it fit. Looks great. I got to figure out how to keep it from falling off of this thing. So I cut little wedges the same shape as the main base. Cut them to size. Did a little bit more cutting. It's looking pretty good. Little prototype. It's coming along. Just doing some adjustments before I glue them down and press them to dry overnight. So now I got them nice and clamped. I'm here the next day sanding them down a whole bunch, dremeling, just removing the glue, and putting nails or screws through the bottom of it just to secure it, but just make sure I cleaned it up. A little scared, I kind of cracked some of them, so I filled them with wood glue and taped it up to dry overnight. But here's my first test run of this thing. I'm getting ready to mount the plate that goes onto this French cleat wall, and when I place it on, my heart sinks because it's too tall, it's banging on the top, and it's going to fall down if I don't put a corner angle. But the camera fits. So here I am the next day, basically shortening it down so that it's not super tall on that mount. And I'm going to put a glove on. So I'm just chopping that main mount down before it's so exhausting. Before I re-secure it in. And, just a quick and easy way of making this thing. Here's our first test run with that little triangle bracket on the base, and I'm pretty stoked. It's solid. It's not pretty, but it's definitely a great first run. Now I am excited because I'm doing the final sanding before I put some beautiful stain on this thing. And the golden color of just this little bit. The other sides are a little grunky, but I don't know. I was excited. It's a quick little prototype to hold my camera on the wall. Slides around. It's that back is hidden, but it's a pretty good first round. Slides across the wall whenever I need it. Clicks in perfect. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed watching this process of making this camera wall and a French cleat wall. Sees it hooks and adjusts whenever I need to. Really curious if you've seen anything like this or if you would put your camera on it.